clothes from yesterday. My hair's a mess. I never took my makeup off. There's this thing here that overflowed and overflowed some more. This week, honestly, I did nothing. So I slept, trying to get my body some time to rest or whatever. So that put me behind. So Friday, I was feeling better, but then I did laundry on Friday, and which means I didn't clean up really. And we had other stuff to do on Friday. But I did get some stuff in my business done. I did a business intensive on Friday. So, yeah. And then Saturday, I had to get up early because we had a church meeting, and then we had dance practice, and Nomi had auditions. So we were out all day on Saturday. Then yesterday was church. So we got up early again, went to church, and then yesterday Nomi had a photo shoot to go to. So we got back late. Then we went to do our taxes, or finish doing our taxes. So by the time we got home, I was tired. I went to sleep. But I did get some videos edited because I had to get that done. So, I don't know. I don't want to do anything. I'm so tired. This was happening last year. Like, I need to stop beating myself up over getting off track. Because then I beat myself up over getting off track, and then I don't want to do anything, and I'm just sitting there sad and depressed because I didn't do what I wanted to do. And you can see my lipstick got on my chin again, because it always does. But I think maybe having a planner is hurting in some way. Oh, because I look at this and I'm just like, holy moly, I got the world to do. And I do have a lot to do. That's why I have a planner. You can see we're at the 22nd. Like I literally have the world to do. And that's why I started having a planner, because I know I have the world to do. And sometimes I forget what I need to do, and sometimes I forget what I'm supposed to be doing because I'm trying to remember everything and I have so much to do. So I got a planner. But now actually seeing it, my brain's like, wow, you got so much to do. What are you doing? No time for sleeping or eating or anything. But there is time. I just need to stop being anxious about it. One day at a time, one task at a time is my new goal. So when I wake up, instead of thinking about all the things that I have to do that day, think about what I need to do in that moment. So wake up, moment, just that. Like, nothing else. Don't worry about what's going to go on later. Just get it done. Then move on to the next day. I thought this was going to be a lot easier. It was at first. Until that one day, I woke up feeling like heck. And that just threw everything else off for the rest of the week. But it's Monday. I'm still a little bit thrown off. But I'm going to get back on track because I'm not about to do this laundry. I got to focus on what I got to do today. My hair is like so thin. Oh my God. Oh, you used to never, like, ever see through my hair. Like, it wasn't a piece of hair that you could see through. Now look at this. Look at this. I'm working on getting this back together too. Yeah, my hair I used to have so much hair. It used to be like this big, like all of it. So imagine just all of it, like. But it's falling out. So most of my videos on the vlogs, you'll see my hair like this because I'm letting it rest. I don't want to pull on it. I don't want to dry it. I don't want to flat it. I don't want to curl it. I don't want to do anything to it. I don't want to pull it up because I want it to come back from vacation. And I have noticed since doing that my scalp is a lot less dry. And that's amazing. That's awesome. I'm so happy. So I'm going to look for products that will help my hair. What is up, my voice? I was going to be looking for products that will help my hair stay healthy and strong even as I do my hair. And my voice is just so raspy. And to me, I sound like a frog. But maybe not to you, I don't know. But anyway, and there's nothing like, hello. It still just sounds the same. So, anyway, I'm going to be looking for products that'll help my hair grow strong, stay strong and healthy even as I style it and do it. But for this year, I'm just going to let it be who it is and do what it wants to do. Anyway, let me get back to my life.